that's not. We won't even have time to hear the Heidi Land song.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, would you stop it? It's so annoying!
I have a cold, okay?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's me, Lovely, and yes, I'm not dead, but Lily over here is dying, and keeps interrupting my intro with her stupid cough. I was gonna record a real high video, but Lily really wanted to do, what is it called?
Cut right into James Charles. LOL.
Oh my god,
Yes, sisters! Hey, sisters! I called someone Jessie.
Okay.
Okay.
What about me?
Fine,
You're gone.
Miranda.
Oh. Good, I'm better off alone.
Ooh.
Hashtag emo.
Child. Anyway, so
We're
Cold.
stuck.
What?
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
No, you just
Excuse
died.
me. Excuse me. No, this guy's in my cart now.
Another. Why do you have
No,
a
there's a
Spider-Man
roadblock.
suit on? Why do you have a Spider-Man suit on?
Because I'm Andrew.
No.
I'm Lovely, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
You're using the wrong name. Her name is Diana.
It's
Shut
not very
up.
respectable to call someone by
Shut
the
up,
wrong name.
Jesse. My name isn't. Okay, so if you guys don't know this already, these two idiots I'm with here think that I'm Inquisitor Master's daughter, which is really
No, I think you are. Yeah, you are her daughter.
yeah, and I
But-
don't know why they think that. So they keep calling
Yeah,
me
but you're not
Diana.
Diane. You're.
Okay, ready? Go.
I'm already walking. I'm walking.
Hey, Mom! Dad!
Dad,
Oh,
look.
It's
It's
Let me see
Heidi
that.
Land.
Comes up and the gates are open.
Opening. Book come to all their dreams.
Okay,
Everything
guys,
can
well, that's the end
happen.
of the video.
Oh,
This is a
yeah.
weird video. Hope you guys enjoyed your day. And,
Make you
yeah,
stand
I'll see you guys
and
next time.
in the
Bye,
fun.
sisters.
Don't cry, you know.
I want to chop your body. I want to